So this classic southern dish, it's the very first thing I ever learned how to cook. My mom taught me before I could even reach over the counter. So here's a little outdoor how-to on my favorite thing to eat. Let's start out by mixing salt, pepper, and paprika with flour. Take a well-tenderized steak, dredge it on either side with egg wash in that flour, pan fry it. Let it cook on only one side until golden brown. Flip it. Remember, it's not chicken fried steak without gravy, so add a little flour to those drippings, add some water or milk, salt and pepper, and you've got some gravy, baby. At this point, you're all finished, so if you're having it for breakfast, fry up a couple of eggs, hash browns, toast, I don't know, do whatever you normally do. Just remember, if I can do this out in the middle of the woods, in the freezing cold, I feel confident you can do it at home. Enjoy and keep watching.